guys! So may nagpadala ng gift sa amin. Oh, nag-hi din pala siya. Hi! You say hi! So one of our friends sent us a gift for Ellie. And it's a toy. Can you say hi? And then we're going to unbox your toy. Say hi! Hi! There you go. And this is the toy. Are you happy? You wanna open it? You wanna open? Okay. Open ni Ellie. Open ni Aling Maliit. Okay. Open Ellie. Open mo Ellie. Wow! Wow! Look! What is this? It's wow! It's a toy! Look! Oh! I think I remember this. One of her cousin have this kind of toy, but I think it's like almost the same yung ano, parang ganito siya oh. Tapos ilalagay mo sa loob yung mga animals. Kumbaga para siyang barn siya. Hi, Kinsey. Wanna smell it? Smell? Gusto rin ni Kinsey mag-unbox. Yan, Ellie, oh no? Oh, look! Pwede mo siya i-open. Yan. Open. Wait, usog tayo, baby. Usog. I know, look. And then, you will open that. Open the barn. And then, you will decorate your barn. See, meron siyang mga decoration na pwede mong ilagay. Lay down, lay down. Come lay down. Go lay down. Sorry, tumalo na baby. So, may mga decoration siya na pwede mong ilagay, Ellie. Look, oh, merong ano. May wagon. Wagon ba to? O, diba? And you're gonna build your own. Oh, may trees din. So, look at the animals, guys. Ito yung mga animals sa barn. So, ayan. Tapos, i-decorate mo siya sa loob. Kumbaga, ito yung pinaka-barn niya. Pwede siya i-open. Tapos, i-close mo. Tapos, pwede mong i-open yung main door. Taray. So, thank you so much. Say thank you. Can you say thank you? Thank you. Thank you for the gift. Si Mami na nag-unbox. Sige na. Thank you. Thank you po. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.